told you that getting your partner to spend on you is not always about asking for money. In this video today, I'm going to share 5 simple things you can do that can make your partner wants to spoil or start spending on you without you begging, fighting, or dropping hints every 5 minutes. And number 5 is one of my favorite and something most people completely overlook. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into this video. But if today is your first time seeing my face on your screen, my name is Choice, a gifts curator and a surprise planner. Welcome besties to my channel where we talk about gifts, relationships, surprises, and simple ways to make the people we love feel special. So do it to hit the subscribe button. So 5 easy ways to make your partner spend on you. Number 1, praise him or her like a queen and a king. For example, maybe your partner is going out dressed in a nice way. You can just compliment him. How today you're looking so hot, you're looking so good. Like, why doing that? It's always help them to open their wallets, They will start doing something that you were not expecting for you. In fact, just start today. Start complimenting them. Start adoring them. Start telling them what you don't used to tell them. And you will see that wallet or that handbag, they will open it for you. Before you know what is going on, your partner will start showering you with gifts, getting you expensive things, getting you those things that you always talk about, taking you to those places you always love to go, taking you on vacation, start doing a kind of things that you were not expecting. So do it to make it an habit to always compliment them, okay? And also there's this set of people that don't like complimenting their partners. No matter what they did for them, you just say thank you. Nothing like Odogo, nothing like my queen, nothing like my, there are some things you do that lead them to do more for you. So today, make it an habit to start calling them by pet name, compliment any little things. Maybe they change their boxers, they change their dress, they buy new things, new on. They just start complimenting them, telling that this one is beautiful, this one is looking so good, this one is okay for you, this one no, don't put on this one, put on this one make you more mature, this one make you this. Start creating that habit in you, and you'll see a lot of things change around you and your partner. And that will take us to number 2, which is don't bill him, because there's a lot of people that love to bill them. You see this one, like there's this lady that was telling me about her partner once at a time. I was like, every time the guy will come, can you borrow me this? Can you do this for me? Can you do this for me? And she was like, I'm the female. I'm the one that's supposed to be you, but rather you're the one billing me. So don't always be your partner. Allow them to do it when it pleases them. I'm not saying that you should not ask for something, but you know what I'm talking about. Don't always be the one to be them. Let him do it when he chooses. But if he never does, leave him. Or by the way, you can just walk away, because billing him will only stress you. So instead of you billing him now and then, it's not better you walk away and start working on yourself. So it's not every time you're going to be them. Sometimes just allow them to do the needful. For instance, there is this my friend. Sometimes she never be, she will just be there and the person will call, please check your account, I just sent something to you. So just allow them to be, let them do it when they choose it, okay? And that will take us to number 3, which is don't forget to give them all the respect he or she deserve. There are some people that don't respect. No matter what you are, no matter who you are, they will never respect him. So it's your duty as their partner to always respect them, always listen to them. I'm not saying that you should be submissive to the extent that someone will be using you, but at least there should be respect there, Not when Mr. A is saying this, you're saying 2. Mr. A is saying 3, you're saying 4. So just give them all the respect they deserve. Don't always be the one to fight them. Don't always be in a competition with them. Don't always be the one to say, let me spearhead everything. Give them that respect. And there's this parable in my place that if you want to collect something from someone, just respect the person. Be humble, be submissive. Act like you don't know what you're doing. Just act the way they want you to do. Just respect them. Do everything. And before you know, the person will start giving you things, thinking that you don't know what you're doing, thinking that in fact they are using you, but you know what you're doing. So just give them that respect. Humble yourself, and before you know, you start seeing your partner showering you with gifts, giving you a lot of things. And that will take us to number 4, which is don't tell him or she that you need money for something. Tell him to buy that particular stuff. There are some people that when you open your mouth and tell them that you need money to buy this thing, you need money to do this, they act like maybe you want to take something away from them, or you want to scam them, or you want to do something with their money. Ask them to get you that particular thing. Always ask them to get you that stuff. And maybe sometimes if he's a nice person, the person will just say, don't worry, I will send you the money, go and get it by yourself. But there are some people that they are too stingy with their money. So when once you ask them money for something, they will tell you another thing. This person is just there for my money, this person is just there for this. Tell them to buy you that very particular thing. And before you know, they will start giving you things. Go out, get yourself this thing. Don't always expect me to go and get something for you. Before you know, they will start acting the way you want them to act. So you don't always be the one to tell them to give you money for something. Tell them to buy that stuff for you, that you need it, that you admire that very stuff, that you would love to have it. Before you know, they will do it for you. This will take us to number 5, which is act like you are Purge sometimes. Don't always be this one, the strongest person. You know, there are some times that you see your fellow females, they will be acting like a tomboy, they will act like they're the strongest. Before you sleep, if something is spoiled, before you know, they will go and fix it. Before you know, they will go and do another thing. Before you know, they will act like the strongest person in the family. I say, stop, girl, just act like, you know, you don't even have strength for anything. Act soft, like a girl you are. And there are some men too, if you look at them, you think that they don't even know what they are doing. They are always very soft. You, the female, now will be the one to carry all the burdens on you. You'll be the Jackie of that family. You'll be the one to do everything. Always act soft like you are. Act like you're the girl in there. You know, don't always act like someone who likes activities that drain. You know, there are some girls that will be like, I don't like anything that is soft work. I love those ones, the ones that will make me to experiment, the one that will make me look like a man. They always go with activities that will make them strong. They always go with activities that will make them act like they're a tomboy, you know. So as a lady, you have to act like a girl you are. And if this video is helpful to you, maybe you're this type that have been doing a lot of things, maybe he's not spending the way he's supposed to spend, or she's not spending the way she's supposed to spend because the way you act. I think these 5 easy ways will help you to make your partner to spend on you without you begging, without you fighting, or without you reminding them. So if you're this type that love this video, always don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video, besties. Bye bye.